goal sheet. Okay, means that today we learn about that what do you mean by goal sheet. Goal sheet is a wonderful feature that helps in the determining the input value needed to achieve a specific goal. It calculates a value by performing what if analyzed on given set of value. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Okay, means goal means what? मतलब if you want to set the any value and that value has a some importance means achievement, and it will be change the other value also. Okay, means that you are going to put the goal, means the we can say that goal means what? Means the future value, maybe it's maybe you can say that, but it is the goal value, means that we are going to put the new value. Okay, now here we are going to discuss about that what is the goal 6. Okay, here we are going to discuss on the marks. Okay, here I have created the marks, and see the marks over there. Different student got a different marks. Okay, for example that roll number 1. Okay, name is John and he got the 67 marks in English, John, and in Hindi he got the 67. Okay, and total is 134 and 67%. Okay, now John, Tom, Mary, Ram. Okay, don't be confused that John name is the English name, but he live in the India. Okay, don't confuse that it's a John reading in the England or our, and how you can read the Hindi. But if for your information that in the abroad country also we use the Hindi. Okay, the most of country nowadays Hindi also teaching in their colleges also. Okay, some of country that the maybe name I don't know, but that's the urban country, means that is the Khadi Desh. Okay, you know that in the most of the Khadi Desh they are also reading the Hindi language. Urban country, Gulf country. Okay, in the Gulf country they use the Hindi languages also. Okay, now here we are going to perform that how to do the goal 6. Okay, first of all we have to create the data list, means type, input the type. Okay, after that creating the data we are going to set the value. Okay, and this value is set on the by using the formula. Okay, when we calculate the total numbers, okay, by using the formula, you know that already how to calculate the total number. Now here I am going to show you how to calculate the total percentage by using the formula. Okay, now see here, this step in the book is given over here. Now read this step, means that select the data tab, click on the what if analyze button in the forecast the group, and then select the goal 6 option. The goal 6 dialog box will appear on the screens. In the set the text box, define the cell address E5 on the which the goal 6 is to be the applied. Okay, now here I am going to show you by the practically how the goal 6 should be calculated and how goal 6 should be performed. Okay, now see here the in MS Excel. Okay, now see here I have already created the table. Okay, in this table I have already created, means that roll number is given there. Here I am going to format this table and see how you can format the table. Okay, after selecting that, okay, oh wait. Okay student, here I am going to calculate the total. Okay, now how to calculate? I have already prepared the this data table. See here, Sonu Kumar, Ravi Kumar, Mani Kumar, Rani Priya and Manoj Kumar. These names are given here. Now they have got the marks, English 85, Math 78, and now we are going to teach you how to calculate. Okay, means that how to calculate the total using the formula. Okay, now see here, if you don't know how to use the formula, see on it. Now we have to select this. Okay, select the column name. Okay, column C and D. Okay, and click here that button is called sum, is means auto sum. Okay, click on this auto sum. Okay, now see here, when we click on the auto sum, the sum of this equals 163. Okay, one we have calculated, no need to calculate for the others, just drag this number. Okay, put the cell pointer on the corner side, it will change into the cross symbol, and after holding the left mouse key and press downwards. Okay, downwards. Okay, see, this total number is calculated automatically. In the same way, percentage, you know that how to take out the percentage. If you don't know, then look here. First of all, before starting the any mathematical operation, start the equal sign. Okay, after equal sign we can perform that. Means that we are going to perform the percentage, then see the on the basis of total. Means E2, the cell address is E2, divide by number of subject, means there are only 2 number of subject, and divide by 2. Okay, and press enter. Okay, now see, 80% has been come. Now same as process, drag down. It's okay. Now here I am going to show you how to the goals. Okay, click on the home tab, that is the data tab. Okay, click on the data, and here is that what if, and click on this button, and from the drop down list select the goal 6. Okay, now see, wait. Okay, now the goal 6 will perform on the formula. Suppose that, for example, if you want to change this. Okay, now we have to select the cell, which value do you want to change or want to set the value. Okay, which value do you want to set? Okay, I am going to set this value. Okay, so I have selected. After selecting that, click on this and goal 6. Okay, now see here, set value matlab set cell. What we have E6, we have set it the E6 and to the value. ठीक है ना? And how much? 130 is already over there. If you want to make this 170, okay, then write, means that write the value. Now see here. Okay, now in the 130 total, if you want to add the some number, then how many number do you want? If you want to make 130, if you want to add the 170, then 130 plus how many number will be added? 40 marks. Then here to the value in that cell we will write the 40 marks. Okay, 40, and by changing the cell, okay, by in which cell do you want to change the or increase this value, then we have to just click over here. Okay, in the English marks we want to change this value, just select it. Okay, okay, just select it in here. Okay, when we select, see here the cell reference, the cell address has become that is C6. Okay, now C6, and click on the OK button. Okay, now click on the OK button and see the number will change automatically. When we click on the OK button, the value will be changed over here. Okay, now see here. Okay, now student, see this. Okay, this value has been changed. Before there is number is other, and now see here. Okay, now once again I am going to explain again this. Okay, see carefully. Okay, now I am going to do the Control Z. Okay, here I am applying the Control Z, means undo. Okay, Control Z. Okay, see here. Before that 130 is there. How I am going to change? Once again listen that. Before that we have to click on the data menu. After in that, click on the this what if analyze. Okay, after that click on the goal 6. Okay, wait. Okay, first of all we have to select in which cell do you want to modify. Okay, means that कौन सा नंबर जो है आप उसको चेंज करना चाहते हैं, सेट करना चाहते हैं. ओके, देन वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट दैट cell. Okay, means cell means number. After selecting that, we have to click on this goal 6 number. Okay, and we have, and to the value, means that what value you want to set there. Okay, means 130 is there, and if you want to make the 130 into the 170, okay, then we have to write 170. Okay, this is the value, and now we have to click on by changing the cell, in which cell do you want to increase? Suppose that आपने 170 तो आपने वैल्यू क्या, पर आप जो चाहते हैं कि उसमें 70 वैल्यू जो है 40 वैल्यू जो है 40 वैल्यू किस में मार्क्स में इंक्रीमेंट हो, तो फर्स्ट आप हैव टू select that, okay, by the changing the cell, so we have to select that cell, okay, just we are selecting the C6, okay, put here over, and now see here the C6 cell address is already here, and click on OK button, okay. Now see the number has been changed, okay. Now the 170 in the total marks, and the increment has been already set to the English marks, okay, 88. And see here, now goal 6 in C6 found the solution. Target value is 170 and current value is 170. Okay. Now click on the OK. Okay. This is the way we have to set. Means that we have to apply on the formula cell. Means cell which is calculated through the formula. Now see here, once again I am going to apply this formula on the percentage. Suppose that if this 70% has become, okay, and if you want to make this for the 80%, then what changes should be done here, okay. Same process, that click on the data and click on the what if analysis and click on the this goal 6, okay. Now set cell is F5, okay, means F5, and value, what will value if you want to make this 80%, then write here 80, okay. And which cell do you want to change, okay, we want to change in this, okay, in this marks, and now click on the OK button, okay. When we change in OK button, now see there the marks of the English has been changed into 85, and the marks of the math is 75 as it is, and total marks also has been updated, and percentage has been become 80, okay. This is the way how we can perform the goal 6, okay student. Now we have already clear about that how to perform the goal 6. If any problem, consult to your subject teacher, that is Lalu Karthik sir, okay. Thank you.